back to the channel. Today I want to show you the new home office area that I'm using to telework. I'll include links below in the description to all the products you see here today that I purchased while setting this area up. The office area is located in the basement and was previously just used occasionally to socialize and watch TV, but very seldom. So the office, my coffee table, the TV, they were already here, but I moved some furniture and added a desk and chair. Since the walls are a sherbet color, I really wanted to balance them with some green earth tones. Sherbet, it's a very hard color to go along with sometimes. For my desk area specifically, the desk itself is from Staples, but just about everything else is from Amazon. This is an L-shaped desk, and this chair, actually, I purchased this from Amazon. I really enjoy this chair. It has the flip-up arms, it has a rocking feature, so you can rock back and forth. I can make it stationary, and it's on the lowest setting. It goes up higher. And it has the mesh backing with lumbar support. Then the next product, because I am a very tall person and I do have some back pain, is the footrest I have under my desk. Now I did actually see a chiropractor for a little bit, and one of the things that he actually taught me was having your knees above your hips alleviates some of the pain and stress in your lower back. And so this definitely helps me because this desk is a little shorter and this chair does not go any lower. So here, this is the Comfy Life footrest. Now, I have it on one of the settings you can put it on. Settings or configuration in this case. You can have it like this, or this is, you can detach this part here. I like to keep it on. But you can also have it like this, which I totally forgot about. But it's kind of like a little rocking chair for your feet. It's very comfortable. It has anti-slip on the bottom so it doesn't scoot around, and even with an anti-skid mat under my desk, this doesn't really move around unless I force it to. And it, just as I mentioned before, it does ease the pressure off your lower back and improve blood circulation to your legs over time. So I'm going to put this back under. Alright, and this floor mat, mostly because I do roll back and forth on my chair a little bit. It's nothing excessive or aggressive, but it's good to be protective and prevent any scratches on the floor. I do have this vinyl office mat. It makes everything easier to roll around into. Everything's all on one level and one layer. This happens to be the 47 by 59 inch one. This one is clear, as you can tell. This is the Amazon Basics one as well, so not hard to find. But I enjoy having this, knowing that I'm protected from ruining my floor, or if I spill something, it's so much easier to clean up off of this vinyl material than it is a rug or something. Alright, because this is my workstation, I have two monitors clearly here, and I have a monitor stand. Now what's so great about this one is that I have room to put various different things underneath for storage, chargers. Even if I need to for something, I can also just usually this would be for like a folder or maybe even another small tablet. I can put something here and look at it while I'm doing something. Or have cable management, or even have a small pen go right here. Very nice. They're sturdy and very easy to put together. I also, because I have my dual monitor station set up the way it is, I have room for a nice Amazon Echo Show 5. This one is a smaller one, so it fits in between my monitors as a good, nice clock. I use it mostly for a clock. But of course, with every Amazon show, you can do so much more. You can watch videos now, you can listen to music, podcasts, whatever you want, more than just a clock. Now also for my workstation, I was provided clearly my laptop and this monitor for my work duties, but I actually really like this monitor so much I bought another one for myself. For, you know, if I stay with this job or if I don't, I still have a very nice monitor I can use. This is the Dell P244. I have it right here. The Dell 24-inch P24222H. This is a full HD monitor. I enjoy the way it looks, very clear image, and it's really good if you work long periods of time and you telework. Or gaming too. Now for for every desk that I've put together, which I did, by the way, put this whole desk together, it came in a box. I've always had an issue with the keyboard tray, but thankfully, I guess this one from Staples, I had a great time with that. This keyboard tray is great. I love having excess space here on top for room for a laptop, maybe a book or something I'm reading in the meantime. I did have this keyboard tray easily put together. I put it together myself, and now I have this pad. I'll link this pad in the description section below because I know it's very hard to find a mouse pad that fits a keyboard tray. And so I found that. It made me very happy. Now here, these are technically large desk mats. Mostly I got these because I wanted more of a black desk office vibe, a two-tone office vibe. And so that's what I mostly use these for, but it's also nice. It doubles as a coaster for when I have a nice big coffee or a water condensating everywhere. It's not getting directly on the desk. And I love that a lot. It's also, with all the cats that walk in front of me while I'm working, a great way to just get rid of the cat hair. My laptop here for work, I was not provided a laptop stand, so I got this laptop stand from Amazon as well. It fits a variety of sizes of laptops, tablets, and I really enjoy it for how you are able to easily adjust adjust the configuration. So you can lift it, you can move it in a direction that's easiest for you, it's easy to store, and it holds a lot. My, I think it's a 15.8-inch laptop, also fits nicely on here too. And you might not be able to see it right away, but I do have this really nice fast charger. It is a fast charging phone charger. I have a QI enabled wireless charging phone. And so while I'm working, sometimes I just don't want to have like wires everywhere. I don't want to be tempted to look at my phone. So not only does the dual monitor setup help me with that, but I can just quickly charge my phone while it's underneath and it's away. And it's good. This is my office mate. She sleeps all the time while I'm working. Her other half is currently asleep right now too. Make sure you check the description section below for all of the products mentioned here today and links to anything you might have liked while viewing my video. Thanks for watching.